you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Elden Ring, this guide will help you troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Update your game. Make sure that Elden Ring is updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release patches to fix bugs and improve performance. Check your game launcher for any available updates and install them. Step 2. Check system requirements. Verify that your computer meets the minimum system requirements to run Elden Ring. If your hardware is below the required specifications, you may experience crashes. Upgrade your hardware if necessary. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause crashes. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Install them and restart your computer. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, you can verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them. Right-click on Elden Ring in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings in Elden Ring can help reduce the chances of crashing. Access the in-game settings menu and adjust options like resolution, texture quality, and effects to lower levels. Save your changes and restart the game. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider seeking help from community forums or the game's support team for further assistance. Happy gaming!